Welcome to Content Genie. In this short demo video, I'm going to show how easy it is to create high-quality, traffic-pulling contents and publish them to all your social media pages and blog accounts. With Content Genie, you can create 100% original content using the same technology implemented by Siri, Apple's AI assistant. All you have to do is give it a keyword or phrase to write about, and it will create a 100% original content in less than 20 seconds. You can choose to publish this content on your social media pages or your WordPress blog. Next, you can customize your content if you want, add campaign name and images. You can also generate related hashtags for more traffic. After customizing, you'll need to select the social media accounts you want to publish to. For Facebook, you can publish to all the pages and groups you manage. Next, you need to choose if you are publishing your content instantly, scheduling it for later, or save as draft. Within a few seconds, the content has been published successfully. Now let's head to Twitter to see the published post. Awesome! Let's head to LinkedIn too. Awesome! Let's head over to Facebook. Really awesome tool, right? You can also check out the analytics of your campaign to see the statistics for comments, shares, likes, and other impressions. Apart from the content AI tool, which allows you to create original content just like Siri, Apple's AI assistant, Content Genie also comes with other tools that let you create traffic-pulling, engaging content. First is the Video Discovery tool. It allows you to find the most trending videos on YouTube, transcribe them, and use this transcribe for your social media post or blog posts. You can either search for trending videos using keywords or by entering your YouTube video link. After that, just click on the button to transcribe the video within a few seconds. This is a pretty awesome tool. Second, we have the Speech AI. This tool allows you to convert live speech to text with 99% accuracy. All you have to do is click on the Start button and start talking. It will transcribe everything you're saying to text. You can now use the content for either your social media or blog post. Third on the list is Article Discovery. This tool allows you to find the most trending articles on the internet. Just enter a keyword, and Content Genie will find you the most viral articles. You can then customize and publish to social media or blog. You can also search using your preferred article link. Fourth, we have the ebook converter. This tool allows you to collect the content of any ebook or PDF file, customize it, and publish the content to social media or blog. We also have the Quote Discovery tool that finds the most viral quotes using keywords. You also have a Content Planner tool that helps you plan all your contents for the next 5 years. Content Genie also comes with Pro AI tools that helps you create even better contents easily. The Plagiarism Checker checks the plagiarism rate of any article, ebook, or text. The Idea Creator creates social media and blog post ideas for you using just a keyword. The Email Swipe Writer creates high-quality emails for you, including welcome emails, cold emails, follow-up emails, confirmation and cancellation emails. The Paraphrasing tool helps you to rewrite any article, ebook, or text using real artificial intelligence. The Content Expander tool lets you expand any keyword or phrase to usable content. The Grammar Checker helps you check the correctness of grammar and spelling in any article, ebook, or text. The Content Summarizer lets you summarize the content of any article, ebook, or text. The Multi-Language Translator lets you translate the content of any article, ebook, or text to more than 30 languages. Content Genie also comes with a Job Finder tool that helps you find the most recent, high-paying jobs and clients. There's also a dedicated help section, which provides all the tutorial guides you need to use Content Genie. No existing software has all the value, tools, and features that we built inside Content Genie. We look forward to seeing you in the members area. Cheers!